Well, here it is, about to change them upper A arms. The only reason I'm changing them, I get new ones. The other ones I bought for cheap, they weren't even the same size. This side, driver's side, is about 1.75 inches. The passenger is like 2 and 16. That's why the passenger one sticks out more. And like I said, I got those A arms cheap, so I ain't even much worried about it. Here's my A arms. Just installed the ball joints. Put lock washers at the bottom, lock washers on top, double nutted them on both of them. I want them to come out. I was gonna put Loctite on them, but man, I'll go ahead and just double nut them. If they come loose, I'll go ahead and put Loctite and then double nut it. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and get the car ready. I'll pause y'all for a meanwhile. So went ahead and took the tire off, lifted it up, disconnected the hose from the top. I'm gonna take that nut off, castle nut. Go ahead and set y'all down so I can go ahead and take that off. Go ahead and switch the camera real quick.
What are you doing?
Recording
How are you recording?
on the phone. That way later when you get older, you're gonna be doing it by yourself.
Yeah. Right there?
At the springs, I think I only cut one coil off.
Like
Because
right
it wouldn't
there?
fit. Hold on, I'm talking. Because it wouldn't fit on these bottom A arms with the full stack. I would have to get the other the lower A arms. They're molded so they can fit full stack.